Hey kids, how are you? Are you ready to learn a new lesson with me? Very nice. So today we are going to learn about pronoun himself. So himself is a reflexive pronoun which is used in place of third person singular male. I know what you are thinking, that what is a reflexive pronoun? It's very easy. A reflexive pronoun is a pronoun in which the subject of the sentence and the object of the sentence both are same. For example, Rudy poured the water by himself. So, in this sentence, Rudy is the subject and pronoun himself is an object, and pronoun himself refers back to the subject of the sentence, which is Rudy. So, let's see some more examples and make the concept of pronoun himself clear. So, Rudy, our first example of pronoun himself is Jack packed his bag himself. So, in this sentence, who is Jack? Jack is third person singular masculine, and pronoun himself is a reflexive form of pronoun he, which is used for Jack, which refers back to the subject.
Oh, now I'm getting it.
So, Rudy, our second example is John dressed himself. So, in this sentence, who is John? John is third person singular
Masculine.
correct. So, for John, we use the pronoun he, and the reflexive form of pronoun he is himself, which refers back to the subject, who is John.
It seems interesting.
So, Rudy, our last example is Erin took a picture of himself. So, can you identify the reflexive pronoun in this sentence?
Himself.
Why?
Because it refers back to the subject.
Who is the subject?
Erin.
Correct. Erin is first person, second person or third person?
Third person.
Singular or plural?
Singular.
Masculine or feminine?
Masculine.
That's great, Rudy. So, I hope you're very clear that what is pronoun himself. With this, bye-bye. See you in the next lesson.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.